Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Stephen Colbert after more than a decade hosting The Late Show. Lots has been changing lately, and people want to know, where is he now? Let's break it all down. Stephen Colbert is a comedian, talk show host, and political satirist. He's best known in recent years for The Late Show with Stephen Colbert on CBS, which he's hosted since 2015. He's built a reputation for sharp commentary, humor, and having meaningful interviews with cultural and political figures. In July 2025, CBS announced that The Late Show would end in May 2026. The decision was framed as a financial one by the network. Though many point out that Colbert has repeatedly been outspoken on political issues, which some say might have made things complex behind the scenes. He's still hosting until the final episode airs. Where is Stephen Colbert now? These days, Colbert is deeply focused on finishing strong. He's still in New York at the Ed Sullivan Theater, making new episodes of The Late Show every weekday. He says he's not planning anything new just yet, choosing instead to savor every day with his team. While the end date for The Late Show is fixed in May 2026, Colbert has been keeping active with appearances, speeches, and events including speaking out on issues he cares about like free speech and political critiques. Stephen Colbert is at a turning point, not ending his era, but winding it down with intention. He's not gone, not yet, but change is on the horizon. Fans are wondering what comes next. Will he stay in TV, move into podcasts, or something else entirely? We'll have to watch and wait.